Hello everyone. So today I'll be showing you how we can play multiple webcam in your Unity project. So let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to create some folders. Let's call it multi webcam. This will be our project name. I'm going to create a couple more folders called scene, script, texture, prepare. Let's drag all this inside multi webcam. So now let's save the scene. Inside the scene folder, let's call it main. I'm going to go to the main camera and I like to change the clear flag. So I don't want to render the skybox. Instead, I want to render some solid color. Let's choose the black color. I like this one as black. So now let's go to the game object, 3D object, and create a plane. So what we'll be doing with this is we'll be rendering the video from the webcam in this plane. So first of all, I need my camera to point at the plane so that I can see what's going on the plane. We can do multiple ways. We can just rotate the camera and face it towards the plane, but I'm going to rotate the plane instead, so that would be much easier. So let's create an empty object and let's call it let's call it Webcam Holder, and let's drag the plane inside the Webcam Holder. Make sure the Webcam Holder is 000, and let's go to plane. Let's call it Webcam Textures. So basically this will render the webcam texture. So now I'm going to rotate it x-axis 90 degree. Let's see. No, the camera is not facing yet. So let's do the negative one. Okay, so let's go to game of scene. So my camera now facing towards the plane. The plane kind of look bigger, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to change the webcam texture, not the webcam holder. I'm going to change the webcam texture. Let's scale down to half. Okay, much better now. I'm going to move the camera. Let's go to the main camera and I'm going to change the field of view to, instead of 60, I'm going to put 80. Yeah, I think I'm happy with this. Now what you can do is just click on the webcam holder and drag it to our prefab folder. So what it will do is it will create a prefab from this game object so that we can use it later. So since we have a prefab of this, we don't need the webcam holder anymore on the scene, so we can just delete this one. Okay, so we have the webcam holder and we're good to go. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the script and create a new script. I'm going to create a C# script, and let's call it multi webcam manager. Let's open this up. I'm going to use the MonoDevelop, the default editor for Unity. Okay, so if you don't like the default view of the MonoDevelop, you can go to the tools option and let's scroll back. Scroll down to let's scroll down to the text editor and syntax highlighter, and I like the dark one, the nightshade. And let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, now let's clean some of this thing up. I need the start method, I don't need the update. So let's remove this. So first of all, I'm going to create a public game object. let's name it let's name it webcam texture prefab. So this one will hold the prefab that we made. So let's go back to Unity. Let's create an empty object and let's call it webcam webcam manager, and this game object will hold our webcam manager script. So let's drag it to this game object. So now it will ask the webcam texture prefab. So I'm gonna drag the webcam holder into this one. Okay. I'm going to create a private variable called name of cams. So this will contain all the names of the webcam that we'll be connecting. Now I need how many webcam actually connected to our system. So let's take integer number of cams, webcam texture devices or length. So this will give us how many cam we have. Now we can assign the name of webcam string number of cam. So now we can look through the total number of cams. Now I'm going to instantiate the prefab we made. So for each webcam we need one webcam texture prefab. So I'm going to create a game object, go instantiate webcam texture prefab. The position I'm going to put new vector 3. Let's put for x, I'm going to just put 926. Assuming the 6 is the half width of the plane. Just a random number I choose 0, 0. Then the rotation is for turning the identity. And I'm gonna instantiate as a game object. Okay. Now it will instantiate the plane on the scene. Now I'm gonna change the parent transform. I'm gonna change the parent of this game object to the parent of my current game object, which is transform. So let's check how it works. So it will create. Right now I have 2 webcams. So it's supposed to create 2 game object. Okay, so we have 2 plane texture, and I just put inside the webcam manager since I changed the parent. So okay, now we have to render this render our webcam feed in this plane texture. So to do that, let's create the webcam texture. Texture new webcam texture. Each webcam texture need a name. So the cam name, webcam texture dot device name, which is we already have, which is name of cams. So before that we need the name of the cam. So we haven't assigned the name of the cam, so I'm going to assign this one now. Name of cams is webcam texture devices name. Now I'm going to store all this webcam texture into a list. so that I can go back to the list and call any webcam texture I want. So to do that, I'm gonna create another private variable, which is list private list. It's a list of webcam texture. Let's call it webcam textures. Okay, so to use the list, we have to use using system dot collection dot generic. So we have a list of webcam texture, and I'm gonna add this webcam, or each webcam actually from now on, into these webcam textures. Make sure you add the correct one. Okay, so we're almost done. Now I want to assign this webcam texture into my game object. Now to be precise, we don't actually want to assign our game object into the webcam holder, because if you can remember, the webcam holder is just an empty game object that holds this webcam texture prefab, or the webcam texture game object, so which has the mesh renderer and material and all other component. So what we actually want to do is we want to access this webcam texture, and we're going to go to this component renderer, and we want to assign the webcam texture instance into this material. So since we already have access to webcam holder, which is a Go, we can access this child object, which is webcam texture, and from there we can actually get all the material and other render component. So the way we can do that is very easy, which is go.transform.getChild. Since I already know the first child is the game texture, so I'm going to put the 0, and from there I'm going to this extra bracket, so get component, I'm going to access the render component, and from render component there is another one called material dot main texture. And now the most important part, where I'm going to assign the texture. I'm going to assign the texture using the list I have created, and make sure you use the list and not the webcam texture by itself. So I'm going to use webcam textures, the first I, and we're good to go. Now all I have to do, I have to start the cam so that the webcam will play. So to do the webcam textures, I dot play. So okay, that's the gist of it. So let's test it. So there you go, guys. This is how you can show any number of webcam in your Unity project. It's very easy, I think, only few lines of code. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.